Hello friends, this is Sriman Tilgave and you are learning ASP.NET MVC5 tutorial step by step. So this is part 9 and in this tutorial we are going to understand layout view in ASP.NET MVC5. So in this tutorial we are going to learn what is layout view in MVC5, how to create layout view using default template in MVC5, how to use the same layout view in different view pages in MVC5, how to use the partial view in a layout view, and homework. So these all are the points we are going to cover in this tutorial step by step. So let's start. First one is the what is layout view in MVC5. So layout view is used for providing the common look for all the different view pages. So if you want to provide some common information throughout the different view pages, then we can use the layout view. Layout view is the same like the master page in ASP.NET web application. So like if you want to provide some header and footer to same, if you want to provide some common information to the different view pages, we can achieve by using the layout view in MVC. The extension of layout view is a .cshtml, and the .cshtml file use the Razor View engine, and the .cshtml is a combination of C# and HTML. Layout view can contain the HTML and C# code, so we can write the HTML code and we can write also the C# code inside the layout view. So while creating the layout view, we need to remember that the prefix should be the underscore and the view name. For example, I want to create some view for the employee, then underscore employee layout view name should be same. And you need to, one more thing you need to remember, that you can create the layout page inside the shared folder. So it is we can say this is the standard way to create the layout view. So we can go with one by one and understand more detail. First we can go with and create the layout view in MVC5 using the Visual Studio 2017. So you can see we have created the MVC5 view example in the previous tutorial of this series, and the same example we are going to use in this tutorial also. So let's start. So you can see, so we can create the layout view inside the shared folder. So this is the, so you can see the default layout view is created inside the shared folder. So and the name is the underscore layout.cshtml. So this is the common page for the all the views inside the application. So this is a common layout page throughout the application. So we can create any view and we can use the same layout page in the different view pages. So how can we create the layout page using the default template in MVC5? So right click on the shared folder, go to add, and you can see click on new atom. So this in the MVC5, this is a very simple way to create the layout page. The default template has provided in MVC5. So you can see here MVC5 layout page and Razor View engine. So you need to select this template and we need to provide the name, and the default naming standard is underscore layout, you can see here. So we can change the name. So I can simply write the product layout view, product layout, and click on add. So previously we need to write the code for the layout view, but from the MUC5 the default templates has provided in MUC5. So you can see this is the default code generated once we create the layout view, and so we will modify some code here. So we can say I will create one div and I will provide this class is equal to, I will say row. If you have the knowledge of bootstrap, then you can use here. It is better to provide the look and feel to the pages, and we can create the header, and I will simply say first this is a, so we can say this is a product header, or we can write any. And second I will create one more div and I will provide some class called a row, and I will write here footer, and we can say this is a footer of product layout page. So simply we have provided some header and footer, and the render body is used to render the content. So this is the HTML code, and we have created the product layout page. And after creating this, what we can do, we will go with how to use the layout view in a different view pages. So to understand what we can do, we will create the two different view, the student and the product new. So and we can use the newly created layout page for the student and product new page. So to create the view, right click on the home folder, so go to add and click on view. So first we need to provide the product new, and we need to select the layout page. So our layout page, you need to select, you go to view and select the shared folder. Inside the shared folder you will find out the two layout page. First one is the layout.cshtml and second one is the product layout page. So we have created this product layout page, and we are going to use the same here, and click on add. Yes, so this is the product page. And so what we can do, previously we have created some product table inside the product parcel view, and we can use the same table here in the product new page. I want to return the product new page. Product new page to the product view. So run the application, so you can see the result. So you can see here, so this is the default index page. So and the layout is this one, this is the header, and so you can see this is the footer. But we have used our custom we have created the custom layout, and we have used that layout, the custom layout page for the product view, and we are going to call the product. So you can see this is the product header, and this is the product footer. So it is created. So we will modify some here. We can remove this heading from here and here also. so it is more understandable. We can added some CSS to the our layout view, so we can add some style, we can say background color, we can add some background color, and also we can add the background color for the footer also. We can choose, we can use any background color, so I can use this one, and you can see refresh the page. So you can see this is the header, this is the header, and this is the footer of the layout page. So we can add the header and footer common to the all view pages. So this is the product view, and so the same layout view I want to use to the for example the employee page. So we have created this employee view in the previous tutorial. So what we can do, we can create one more new view. Right click on the home folder, go to add, click on view. So I can say emp new, and I want to use, so you need to remember that we need to select the layout page. So we are going to use the product layout page, so we have created, and click on add. So this is the emp new view, and I'm going to use this view to the employee page. So you can build the application and run. We can call the product view. So you can see we have used our custom layout product view. This is the product header and this is the footer. So at the real-time example, so we can create the new bar, the menu bar in the header, and footer we can write any code. And so we can use the same layout product layout in an employee also. So you can see this is the employee page, and we have used our product layout page in the employee page also. So we can use the layout page, the same layout page in a multiple view pages or the different view pages. So we have understand how to use the layout view in a different view pages, or how to use the layout view in a different view pages. Next one is the how to use the parcel view in a layout view in MVC5. So to use the parcel view, what we can do, so we can use the previously we have created the parcel view. So the same parcel view we can use here. You can see this is the product parcel view, and we can delete this one. So I want to use this footer inside the product parcel view, and this product parcel view we are going to use our product layout page. So instead we are writing the code here, what we can do, we can directly use the parcel view @html dot the parcel method. So there are two methods we have understand in the previous tutorial, render parcel and parcel. So as per our requirement we can use one of the method. So I will copy this text, and so you can understand we are going to use the parcel view inside the layout page. So how to use the partial view inside the layout? This is the simple way. It is the same like which we have used in the normal view. Instead of this, what we can say, welcome to programming with Sri. We can use this, and you can refresh the employee page, so you can see the footer is changed. Welcome to programming with Sri. So this is the footer, and we have used the footer, this one, for the partial view. And if you refresh the product page, then it is changed, so you can see welcome to programming with Sri. This one is also changed because we have used the product table here, so that's why it is also changed here. So you can see this is changed, the welcome to programming with Sri. So this is the simple way to use the partial view inside the layout view. So next one is the interview question, and we can say homework. So in this part, so mostly the interviewer does not ask more question, so we can go with homework. So what you can do, you can create one layout view name like the employee layout.cshtml in shared folder, and you can add some header and footer inside the employee layout.cshtml view and use this layout in another view. So you can create one more view like the employee.cshtml, or you can create the student.cshtml view, and you can use the newly created the employee layout view, apply some CSS, and it will be look and feel better, and you can use and execute. So that's all from this tutorial. So we have understand what is layout view in MVC5, how to create the layout view using the default template in MVC5. So MVC5 provide the default template to create the layout view. It is a very simple, and we have also understand how to use the layout view in different view pages, and also we have understand how to use the partial view inside the layout view. And so these all are the points we have covered in this tutorial. So next tutorial we are going to understand about the model in ASP.NET MVC5. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and add your valuable comment, and for more detail you can visit my blog www.programmingwithsri.com. Thanks for watching my video.